go. I can't open it. Where do you open it? Okay.
It's pink.
I know it's pink.
So do we. We can't exactly see it, Sarah.
Thank you.
Oh, that's so cute.
It has a little necklace in the shoe.
It's got the bow.
It has a little necklace in the shoe.
Look at the bow. Yes, look at the bow.
Those are adorable, Sarah.
Look, videos. And an American Girl hanger. Thank you, Pa and Grandma. I got it. I think I got it. Now for the family gifts.
Hey, Sarah.
Thank you, Pa and Grandma.